On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin OBASEKI don tok am say him administration dey transform Secretariat complex make e be world-class center for civil servants dem. He said the renovation wey dey happen for Block C and D of the Secretariat complex wey dey Sapele Road for Benin City go change the Secretariat make e come be world-class center and e go be hub for civil servants dem. He tok dis one when he waka go do inspection for the Secretariat complex. OBASEKI tok say the work wey dey shele for Secretariat complex dey shele because say im wan transform civil service for Edo State make e for come be ogbonge one. He say na 40 years ago na Samuel Ogbemudia administration design Block C and D before they come later abandon am.
So we've completed Block C, they're finalizing Block D, and once they finish, we'll now move on to Palm House and the Secretariat complex. And this entity which will now serve as a hub of our civil service.
For Treasury House matter, OBASEKI tok say im administration don almost finish the work wey dey shele for Treasury House when Samuel Ogbemudia administration be design. He say him administration don almost complete work for there and Accountant General and Commissioner for Finance office go dey for the Treasury House.
This building is going to be the Treasury House. It's almost completed. It's going to host the Accountant General's office and also the office of the Commissioner for Finance.
After all this one, the Secretariat complex go get civic center, supermarket and crèche for the nursing mothers dem. State-of-the-art facilities go dey ground so that work go dey sweet for Edo State civil servants.
This is our Secretariat complex that was designed over 40 years ago by the Obamudia administration. Unfortunately, it was abandoned. These two, the Block C and D, were abandoned for as long as you can remember. And in the last 2 years, as part of our transformation program for the bureaucracy for the civil service, we decided to rebuild the entire, civil service.
OBASEKI say him administration dey do their best to make sure say civil servants wey be the engine room of him administration go dey happy with their work and wear them for the work. So by September or October, 5 megawatt electricity projects go dey ground to make sure say the Secretariat go get light. Still on top inside Edo today, na Governor Godwin OBASEKI come still take carry waka go do inspection for St. Saviour Road. He say im waka come because people wey dey stay for St. Saviour area don come complain give am. The road na 15-kilometer road and e get 5 low points and flood dey disturb anytime when rain fall. OBASEKI tok say im wan understand how the design take dey so that im go fit carry flood comot for the area and dem go use 15,000 square meters of space take carry water comot for St. Saviour Road.
That's why I come myself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to say, how do we solve the problem? There are 3 solutions. So if we acquire this area now, we want to take those houses away, dig like a small river or pond or lake so that all the water go there from here.
Hydrological studies are currently going on that will determine the capacity this place will be able to absorb. Okay. In the case that it's not able to take it, there are other points that have been identified. So this one will absorb water, and this one is going to be a partial injection system to a sub-aquifer. So all those designs have to be quickly done. That will make this place accommodate a lot of water.
So why is the design taking us such a long time?
It's the consultants. They needed to do some studies during this rain. Okay.
Now so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin OBASEKI don talk am say im wan transform civil service Secretariat complex make e come be world-class center. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.